Okay, listen class. In this video what we are going to do is we are making Ogive curves and then we will find out median. Okay, so what we have to do is first of all we have to make two tables, more than frequency table and less than frequency table. Okay, so how to make more than frequency table? So in more than frequency table what we have to do is write more than and then take L1 from the given series. Okay, so L1 is the lower limit of the given group, of the selected group or the group which we are writing. Okay, so it will be more than 0, more than 10, more than 20, more than 30, more than 40 and more than 50. So I have already written it like this. Now how we have to find the frequency? So what we should do is we do not write frequency for more than series. We take CF for more than series and CF which is calculated by totaling them in order to get the answer. Okay, so more than 0, how many numbers or how many things which are more than 0? Okay, so it is 5 plus 3 plus 6 plus 8 plus 5 plus 3, it will be 30. Next, more than 10, so we will reduce this 5 and count all of them, so it will be 25. Next, more than 20, so both of these are not more than 20, we will not include it in the answer, so it will be 8 plus 6 14, 14 plus 8, it will be 22. Next, more than 30, it will be 8 plus 5 plus 3, it will be 16. Next, more than 40, it will be 5 plus 3, 8, and more than 50, it will be only 3. Done. Now what we have to do is how can we easily find this out? So we also know that for making a CF we take the first value the same, but while making more than CF, more than frequency table, we will take the lower the highest group frequency is same, like it is 3 and it is also 3. Now add the frequencies, 3 plus this 5, it will be 8, 8 plus 8 16, 16 plus 6 22, 22 plus 3 25 and 25 plus 5, it will be 30. So we have to start making the CF from below. Okay, next, in less than frequency table, less than, so in less than what we have to do is we have to take L2, so it will be less than 10, less than 20, 30, 40, 50 and 60, and our CF will be, we know how to make CF. First one will be same, so it will be 5 plus 3 8, 8 plus 6 14, 14 plus 8 22, 22 plus 5 27 and 22 7 plus 3 will be 30. Done. So now what we have to do is we have to make the Ogive curve on bar graph. Okay, so I am making it on this. So this is our y-axis and this will be our x-axis. But class, what you have to do is you have to make it on graph paper. Okay, so this will be our x-axis, this is our y-axis, this will be our origin. Now what we have to do is we will take the groups on x-axis and the frequency on y-axis. So the maximum frequency is 30, the maximum frequency, the total of the frequency is 30. So what we have to do is we should take out that how many number of lines are there. So can we take 2 to 1 centimeter equals to 2 units on y-axis? So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. Yes, we have 15 lines, so it will be 2 4 6 8 10 12 14 16 18 20 22, 24, 26, 28, and the last one 30. Okay, and on x-axis what we have to do is we have to mark the groups. So 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 30, 40, 50, and the last one is 60. Now from more than, it will be x and this will be y. You know how to place the coordinates on the graph paper? It is 0, 30. So x is 0 and y is 30. The point will be there. It will be 0, 30. Next 10, 25. So where is 10? This is 10 and where is 25? It will be there. So it is our 10, 25. Okay. Next is 20, 22. So this is 20 and this is 22. 20, 22. Okay. Next is 30 and 16. This is a 30 and this is 16. 30, 16. Next is 40, 8. So this is 40 and this is 8. 40, 8. And next is 50, 3. So this is a 50 and this will be 3. 50, 3. Okay, done. Now what you have to do is, it is a curve, so you don't have to put a straight line. You just mark it like this. Okay, with ease. This will be our, which curve is this? More than curve. Next is less than curve. So less than is start from 10, 5. This is 10 and this will be 5. So 10, 5. Next is 20, 8. This will be a 20 and this will be 8. 20, 8. Next is 30, 14. So this is 30 and this is 14. 30, what I have to do is we have to write there 30, 14. Next is 40, 22. So this is 40 and this is 22. 40, 22. Next is 50, 27. This is 50 and this is 27. Where is 27? 26 and 27. This will be our 50, 27. And the last is 60, 30. So this will be 60, 30. Okay. Now what we have to do is we have to draw a curve. So it will be like this. Okay, so this is our which curve? Less than curve. Now what we have to do is we have to find the median, and median is always find out from the groups. So what we have to do is we have to draw what? A perpendicular line. So what we'll do is we'll take a perpendicular we'll draw a perpendicular from this point on this line. So it will be like this. Okay, and next what we have to do is we have to draw like this. Done. So listen class, what we have to do is, this is point number 15. So how can we draw this line? So first of all what we have to do is find out n upon 2, which is 30 upon 2, which will be 15. So first of all draw this line and then draw a perpendicular line to this. So this will be like approximately 30, or this will be 35, and this is between 35. So the answer will be median will be 32.5 approx, because we don't have what? We don't have accurate answers. Okay, now this is a whole diagram, but we have forgot one thing, that what we have to write. We have not written the scale. So scale will be scale on x-axis 1 centimeter equals to how many units? Okay, what we have taken is, we have taken 2 columns equals to 10. So 1 centimeter equals to 5 units. And on y-axis 1 centimeter equals to 2 units. Okay, this is our final answer. Thank you.